Very good morning, children. So today we are going to look on to the subject EVS followed by the lesson number 2. Okay. So what is the lesson we are going to discuss about is digestive system. Yes. So children, every day we need energy to do work. Okay. If I want to carry a bag full of rice, that is 5 kg of rice is there in a sack bag. If I want to lift that rice bag, what do I need? So நான் அந்த bag lift பண்ணனும்னா what do I need? I need some energy. I need some energy. Where do you get this energy from? Yes, by eating food. Every day we are taking food morning as breakfast, right? So in the mid-afternoon as lunch. Yes, during the afternoon we are taking our lunch, children. And late after the evening. So here comes your night dinner. So what for we are taking this? To gain more energy. So for what? Energy. Energy for what? To do a work. Come on. So this kind of energy, how come it is being absorbed in your body? So how does your body is retaining? So every food we eat, it has some nutrients. It has some nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, and so on, right? So these many nutrients are in your food, right? So if your mom will usually say you to have some vegetables because it contains what? Vitamins, minerals, everything. So our body needs such kind of nutrients. We need such kind of nutrients to make our food more effective, thereby gaining more energy, children, right? So without energy, how will you feel? You'll feel very thin. You'll feel very thin, no stamina, no energy to do any work. Okay. So now, how this nutrients being absorbed? So நம்ம சாப்பிடுற food, right? So from that food, how the energy is derived, how the energy is absorbed by your body. That is what we are going to see in this chapter, digestive system, right? So starting from the first point, your mummy is providing food. Today, it's very good meal day in the lunch you are going to have. So what your mother, first of all, she'll say, yes, my dear daughter or son, take a spoonful of food. So chew it properly. Nalla chew pannunga. Chew means what? Where do you chew that? So food vaila vacha odane your mummy, she will insist you to chew, grind. So vaila food ponadu, first digestion starts here, right? So she will insist you to chew and swallow. So நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? Chew பண்ணி தான் swallow பண்ணணும். So chew பண்ணாம swallow பண்ணா what does it happen? It will obviously come out. It will obviously come out. It will not get inside your body. So digestion starts from your first organ. That is your first point. Here comes mouth. So here you will chew the food first of all, right? So with the help of this chewing food, almost the food will be mashed here. Mashed means what? So the food consistency will be mashed, grind, right? So after that, it will be easy for you to follow, isn't it? Yes. Followed by, what is the next organ comes here? Here comes your esophagus, or called as food pipe. So because it is going to carry the food. So esophagus or food pipe is a long, narrow tube. It's a long, narrow tube. So where it starts? It starts from your mouth. It is a connective point. So enna panudhu? It connects the mouth towards the stomach. So it's a tube connects your mouth to your stomach. What is it called? It is esophagus. The name is food pipe. So through this tube, in the tube mulyama, the food travels from your mouth. So the now food is being ground and sent to the food pipe. So what the food pipe is doing? It is taking a transport. It's a transport man. So it takes the food from the mouth. Where it is going to deliver? To the stomach, towards the stomach. Okay, before that there is another organ, right? Here comes your largest, heaviest organ in your body. So this is too heavy. This organ is called liver. It's called as a liver. What is the color of this organ? You know, it is a reddish brown color. The reddish brown color organ. And if you see all over your body, this organ, it is so heavy. Heavy means what, children? It's very weightful, right? So this liver here comes, another heaviest organ, which is reddish brown in color, right? Yes, now followed by the food has been delivered to the which organ? Stomach. So நம்ம food pipe எங்க கொண்டு போய் deliver பண்ணிருக்காங்க? So he delivered the food to the stomach. What is so called stomach? Stomach is a sac-like organ. It's a bag-like organ. Bag means what? Like balloon-like structure. If you eat more, it will be like a size of football. Your tummy, your stomach will be like a size of football, children. So if you didn't have any meal, if you don't have anything, what will be the size of the stomach? It will be like your tennis ball. It will be like your tennis ball. So every day, don't mind that your stomach is growing more. Have energetic food. So this sac-like organ is called stomach. It's called as stomach. Once the food is delivered to this point, so நம்ம food pipe என்ன பண்றாங்க? Food வந்து இங்க deliver பண்ணாங்க. Mouthல mash பண்ண food they are delivering to the what organ? Stomach. What does stomach is doing? So இங்க with the help of more juices, secretions, we'll see later. So it breaks down. It breaks down. Still அத இன்னும் mash பண்ணுது. The stomach. And followed, the process is over. The breaking down is over. Right? So food இன்னும் minute particle break பண்ணியாச்சு நம்ம stomach. So from that point, stomach, where it is delivering? It is delivering to the next organ. Here comes the small intestine. Small intestine. Small intestine is a tube, a narrow tube. It's a narrow tube. It's about 22 feet long. What is the size of this tube? It is around 22 feet long, my dear. So just think, imagine how long if we spread the small intestine. It will be going so long, right? Because it is 22 feet long. So here it further dissolves, it further breaks down. Okay, take down all the absorbs and send the food to the next organ. So from small intestine, where it is going to give? So it again pushes. Come on, digestion of my part is over. Another digestion part is almost complete. Move on to the next part. Our small intestine is pushing the food out to the large intestine. So now the food enters the large intestine. So large intestine is also tube-like structure, right? But what is the difference between small intestine and large intestine is small intestine is a narrow tube. But when it comes to large intestine, the tube is somewhat wider, right? This much. That is very spacious, wider tube, right? So this small, large intestine is around 5 feet length. So it is very small in size when compared to small intestine. Okay. So followed by, if all the process of digestion is over, so all the breakdown particles absorbing nutrients has been done. So now where does this food is thrown out? It is pushed. It is pushed from large intestine to another part called anus. Another part called anus. Yes, so anus is the part, it's an organ. What does it do? It makes over, it's the complete part of digestion gets over and it sends out the waste material. We'll throw the waste in the dustbin, right? Likewise, our body waste are thrown out through this part called anus. Through this part called anus. So digestion starts from your mouth. followed by your food pipe. Yes. So next comes your liver attached towards the stomach, right? So from stomach it delivers the food to small intestine, then comes large intestine followed by the anus. So almost digestion gets over. So for this digestion we need this organs, this group of organs. So digestion process, what are the organs we need? Starts from your mouth, followed by esophagus or food pipe, liver, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. So this group of organs, we call it as what? Organ system. We call it as organ system. Okay children. So this organ system which helps in the organ system oda work enaduma, it's to do the digestion. After eating it has to be digested, right? So the process of digestion, right, involved by this organ system, we call it as digestive system. We call it as what? Digestive system, right? So almost we can derive another point. What is meant by digestion? So we are having idli, vada, dosa, whatever meal or supper, whatever you like, right? What is the consistency? So it will be solid like, right? Or whatever. In state, it has been mashed, break down. So ulla pogumbodhu over organ, each and every organ is breaking down. What is doing? It is breaking down the particles to absorb the nutrients, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, fats, everything. So once breaking down has happened, the body absorbs. So the break panna odane, the body, your body is absorbing all the essential nutrients from the food. So this process of, come on children, listen very carefully, this process of breaking down food, thereby absorbing the nutrients to your body, this is called as digestion. This is called as digestion. And followed by next point, note down children, the organ system, group of organs which we discussed. So the organ system which is used for digestion purpose, we call it as digestive system, right children? And followed by the next session, I will teach you the part and role of each and every organ involved in this digestion. I hope you would have taken certain hint points, that is notes. If not, try to note down in the upcoming sessions. The questions related for this session will be sent you through WhatsApp. And I hope everyone should make a reply to the same number. We'll meet you in another session. Until it's bye from your teacher. Take care, stay home, stay safe my dear children. Thank you.